Today I'm gonna be showing you how to set up and install a Reddit bot that I found on GitHub. This Reddit bot can increase karma in your Reddit account. You can increase at least 500 karmas a day, and if you imagine doing this manually, you can do this for about 1 or 2 months, but with this bot you can increase karma very fast in only 1 day. So after you increase your karma, if you have a lot of karma in your account, then you can post, and your post will get a lot of upvotes, and if you get a lot of upvotes in Reddit, any subreddit you want, you can get a lot of traffic into your post. You can post your website link and get a lot of traffic into your website, or you can post your video link into your YouTube and get a lot of views into your YouTube channel. So if you want this bot today, please make sure to like this video first, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and let's start with this video without further ado. Yo, what's up everybody, welcome to this new video here at Top Notch Programmer. As I said before, today I'm gonna be showing you how to set up and install this bot that I found on GitHub. So all you're gonna do is just to go to the description of this video in the link section. You're gonna find every link that we need for this video, but you have to click on the GitHub repository of this project. So after clicking on this link, you're gonna find this repository here at GitHub. So this is the big repository of the bot, and we're going to install this on your computer right now. So first you have to download the bot into your computer, and to do this just click on the code and download a zip, but I prefer to use git clone, so I have to copy this link right here and go back to any location you want. I am saving this in my desktop, and you have to open a CMD here, so just go to start and type CMD. After that you have to go to desktop, so cd desktop, and then you have to git clone the repository here, so just type git clone and paste the link you just copy and press enter. Then this is going to download everything in your computer. Then if you go to the desktop, we have the Reddit karma farming bot here, and inside this we have a lot of files and everything we need. So all we're gonna do now is just to right click on this run windows.bat if you are on Windows. So just double click on this one, and this is going to show you that we have found the excellent build tools and everything we need. But this is not going to work for you the first time because you have to set up some things. So I'm going to stop this for now, and I'm going to close and show you what you need to install and run this bot successfully. So just go back to your repository of this bot, and you have to go to scroll down a little bit and go to the getting started. So just click on follow getting started guide. So just click on this one. Let me open this on new tab because we need it again. And if you go to the getting started guide, you have to go first to this reddit.com prefs apps. So just go to this link and opening in this new tab, and here it is. And here you have to log in into your Reddit account. I'm already logged in, so this is showing different, but if you are not logged in, just go and log into your Reddit account. And then if you haven't created any app here on Reddit before, it will show you empty. This is not going to show these two windows. It will show only this create another app. So you have to click on this create another app, and then you have to put a name for your app. So just type any name you want. I'm going to type here tutorial. And below you have to make sure that you select the script, because otherwise if you don't select it, it is not going to work. In description you can leave it empty, or you can write just something randomly, and in the about URL leave it empty. And here on redirect URI you have to type https://example.com. so make sure to type this thing here. After typing it, just click on create app, and it's going to be created. And here is my app tutorial. This is a tutorial that I just created right now, and I have to leave this open for now because I need it later, and I have to go back to the repository of the project. So here now you have to set up some other things. If you are running this on Windows, you have to follow this link here. Just go to getting started and click this Windows link. I'm opening in a new tab, and if I go back to this link, here is the running how to set up in your Windows computer. If you want to run on Windows, you have to install Python first. First is the most important thing is Python. So just go to Google and search for Python and click on Python download, or you can click this link here. And then after installing Python, you have to install the Visual Studio in your Windows computer, because we need the Windows 10 SDK to run with the bot. And I have already installed and set up everything, but I'm show you how to do. So just go here and click on this download the Visual Studio 2019 build tools. Click on this link, and here is the link, and then it will immediately start the download. And here is the download. Just click on it, run the yes, and then after running the installation for this, it is going to show you this window right here. So here you have to make sure to select the C++ build tools. Just click on the select this one. You can deselect and don't select anything else, just this one, C++ build tools. And here on the right side you have to make sure to select only these three things here. So MSV version 142, Windows 10 SDK, and C++ C make tools for Windows. After selecting all of these things, you have to click on installation thing, and this will start to install. And then after installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. You have to make sure to restart the computer and go back to this video again. Then I'm going to show you what to do next. So after completing all this thing, I can close all these things out, and here close everything. And now I need this thing that we created before, the app that we created on Reddit. So go back to the folder we just downloaded and run windows.bat here. So just run this thing and it'll do everything here, and it will install dependencies and everything we need. So just wait for a few seconds. Okay, now everything is downloaded and installed, and now you have to put your account client ID, and it's gonna ask me where to find this ID. So just go back to the Reddit apps that we created, the tutorial one, and the ID, the client ID is this one here. Below personal use script, you have to copy this right here. Make sure to copy only this thing. So just click on copy, go back to the terminal here and the app, and then you have to paste here on client ID. Press enter. Then it is going to ask you for client secret. The client secret is this one, secret. Just copy and go back, paste it, enter. Then it's going to ask for the password. So the password is your Reddit password account. So just put your password here. I'm going to put mine. So, and I'm going to be hiding this so I can't reveal my password. Then press enter, and now you have to put your username. So your Reddit username is not here, is just your username that you use to create your Reddit account, and mine is this one here. If you scroll down, this is mine, and I'm just going to copy it and go back to the CMD and paste it here. So just press enter, then it will do everything. So just now the environment is created and you have to rerun the bot. So just press continue or press any key you want, and then it is going to close. Now you have to go back to the Reddit folder again, and then double click again in the run windows.bat. So just double click on it, then it is going to install everything we need again, and then it will start immediately with the bot. So now as you can see, we have everything here. These are the chances to pause, to comment, and to do a lot of things here on Reddit. Then it has schedules that is going to pause sometimes because to avoid bans on your Reddit account, and then it's going to run 24/7. You can leave this running into your computer and it will increase karma. I promise it will increase karma at least 300 to 500 a day. So just keep this running and it'll help you to increase karma, get traffic into your post, get more votes, and a lot of things. So this was the tutorial for today. I hope you liked this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe to the channel for more of these videos like this one, and you can find a lot of more videos about botting stuff and increasing your traffic into social media, and please make sure to watch them, and see you in the next videos. Peace.